Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I'm sharing a Christmas gift idea. So we are going to make this 4 super cute fridge magnets, which is super easy to make using homemade clay. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And look how easily we completed this cute magnet, and we will stick magnet behind it after completing the remaining 3. Now let's make the second one. Now it's time to make the third one, which is my personal favorite. finally we will make the fourth one. After completing all the cuties, it's time to stick a magnet behind them. So for that I'm using a instant liquid adhesive and let it dry. And now our magnets are ready. It's really important to give them 2 coats of clear varnish to protect them from fading. I hope you guys love this idea. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedback. And yeah, don't forget to mention your favorite one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.